the way I've been interpreting price is once we create that S&T divergence, we've turned a buy side delivery function into a sell side delivery function. And we're only going to get sell side delivery until we get another S&T divergence. If we don't get S&T divergence, you can anticipate to hold down to these lower lows, right? From the A anchor to that B anchor. Remember, we're taking a look at that slingshot effect. So we're anchoring our A stop, anchoring, and as it's going up, we're like stretching that rubber band from the slingshot. Boom, you see S&T divergence? That's where we anchor it. The moment we close below 25%, that's when I'm interested into getting into that sell. As well as when you have, I guess, ideas of where the market might go towards, you can start doing your implied dealing range as well. Start getting a premium raise so that you can hit the target. Right now, we can set our targets down to this low. So anything above equilibrium, you can start to sell. This low from 12 a.m. to this lower low, right? Create a breaker. Here we did it. So we're having like a creation of a failure swing. I want to get on the breaker one. Okay, so let's take a look at our white range. Does it close above 25%? Not yet. Not yet. So in the meantime, while it's not doing that, it can still retrace above and then just continue to sell more and more and more and more, reaching down to lower sell side liquidity pools. And eventually, maybe even exiting out of this external range from this low to this high, making this a market maker sell model. Hey guys. So even though I would like to see a close above 25%, it doesn't mean that we can just continue to retrace and continue lower even if we don't touch that 25%. This slingshot is, how can I say, it's flexible. When it closes above 25, then yes, we've completely anchored this low. If it hasn't, anticipate this low to continue expanding lower. And then what do you think we'll get? This high from this low to this high, from this high to this low. What do you think we'll get? A balanced price range. Why? It was an area that was met with buy side delivery, later met with sell side delivery, in the form of a market maker sell model. 3. Interested in seeing this act of support now. And look at that. And we've opened, so opened. It's I would still like to see it continue to head down lower. Not a small retracement here going up. Also, one thing I wanted to notice too, look at this. We had a breaker up here. Doesn't mean you can't see it, but there's a breaker up here probably in the seconds chart. Price closed above 25%, right? Or, yeah, closed above 25%. Use that as support. Look at that high, that old high, right? Magically be used as old support. Expand high. And see if that high will be the new higher high of the market. Again, we've never been up here before, so this is new high territory material right here, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you, because it reacted like this, I would have shut down the charts already. Right now, actually, because it would have already met my profit objectives. We're diving into new market higher high territory again. Like, I just don't like being involved in these kinds of environments because you never know how high it's actually gonna go. Like, we can make projections and say it's gonna go up to here, but I don't want to sit down here and wait for that to manifest. If it's not, if I can't get a discount entry because it keeps rallying up, then now there's probably a lot of buyers right now. We're trying to get into like every single buy right now, like order block, buy. But I'm just not that kind of person. Not anymore. So I think I'm just gonna close it up here, guys. Very short stream today. Very short stream. Yeah.